Welcome to Mattheissen State Park. These are some tangled roots here, babe. Here with Lady Wifington, giving the backwards wave and the backwards glance.
With awesome shoes.
And awesome shoes. Check them out. In all their majesty. Look at her climbing. Look at her go.
Ooh.
It's kind of a cave.
There's a hole over here.
It's kind of a cave. Oh wow. Yeah, indeed. That's fun. Now, getting back down. Okay.
I can give you a push.
Gravity did just fine on that. Oh, yeah. I should probably help you, eh?
Very graceful.
Like a gazelle you are. Look, honey.
Nice. Hello, world.
We think that we are... Here. We think that we are headed in the direction of the Giant's bathtub. We don't know if it's cool or what it really even is, but we're about to find out. Ooh. Another important question, when's the next way opportunity we have to get back up?
I think we're gonna have to get wet.
It sure looks like that's kind of how you do it. It's time for a shoe change. Hey, that's a waterfall back there. Pretty amazing. Look, the water starts up and then it goes down. Waterfall. Warm greetings from Cascade Falls. I'm here with Tiger Lily. And a pretty wild scene. People sliding off the falls. Puppies in the water. Living their best puppy lives. Everybody taking pictures because it's pretty cool looking. And zoom in here for you. See the falls. Way to go, Mother Nature.